I'm going to go over everything you're going to get in this 21-piece Chalkola marker set. It's more than just a standard box of markers, so listen up if you want to know what you're getting here. You've got 15 chalk markers. These come in a really nice variety of colors. You have to activate these markers to get them to work. That's what I'm doing right here. When you get them out of the box, you're going to have a 1mm tip showing on the marker. If you want a thicker marker, you can actually take that nub out, flip it around, and use the thicker, more chiseled marker tip. I thought that was pretty cool. You can also rinse the tips. What makes a chalk marker really cool, in my opinion, is that you can color over other markers and it's not going to blend. If you give it a few seconds to dry, because it is chalk based, you can draw right over a dark color with a light color and it'll show up just as vibrantly as if you were on a blank slate. And these are appropriate for kids over the age of 3. On porous surfaces like fabric, paper, wood, they're going to be permanent. But on non-porous surfaces like glass, non-porous chalkboards, whiteboards, you can wipe these right off. 6 metallic markers also come in this set. You can also flip those around. You also have to activate all of these, and they do have that really cool metallic shimmer, vibrant colors, fun to use, and the ink in these is just really high quality in general. So if you thought you were just getting a standard box of markers with this, with some metallic thrown in, nope, this is much more than that. Chalkola makes specialty markers for lots of different applications. Oh, and for all of you wondering if the white marker really goes on bright and bold, it sure does. Hope this was helpful.